visuals. So this is Makayla. Makayla is oh so freaking cute. I would totally keep her as a summertime wig. The only thing I'm not so like in love with, like oh give me more with this wig, is the fact that this bang is so super duper long, but it's like literally covering my eye. And usually I wouldn't go for hair or wigs or anything that literally covers my eye. Like you can see me like I'm keep fidgeting with it. Like I'm like move, because like my lash is being weighted down. I'm wearing contacts. Like the whole shebang bang is being thrown off. However, I do love Makayla. Although this is a synthetic wig, like that line, like that asymmetrical line, the way this bob is cut beautifully, if I do say so myself. It is very lightweight, so if you wanted to get Makayla for the summer, like, you know, hot girl summer, everybody wants colored wigs, but you don't want to spend that hot girl summer money, especially with the current pandemic going on. Like, you don't want to be paying like 100, 200, 300, however much you're going to have to pay to get your hair like this. I totally would go for a synthetica wig, only because, one, in my opinion, synthetic does well in the heat. You don't have to worry about doing too much to it. If it gets damaged, then you just go ahead and buy you a new one for like $60, okay? I will put the retail value of this down below so you guys can keep that in mind. But like, she is so cute. She's bouncy. Note to self, don't wear no lip gloss C kind of lipstick next time I wear this. Like, I just feel all types of like summer, spring vibes with this hair. I think she'll look good no matter what. I'm pretty sure some of you have already seen the hair on Instagram, because you know I like to preview before I give you the video. You know what I'm saying? I plucked the part so it looked a little bit more wide and more realistic. I do look hella light skinned with this, and I blame it on the fact that I'm in the house and I'm not getting any, you know, vitamin D from the sun. But you do want to go ahead and maybe color your wig cap when you wear this, or if you're just wearing your scalp, make sure your scalp is like really peeking through where the line is. I did go ahead and just use a regular pair of tweezers to go ahead and pluck this out. Ladies, you know, when you go to your beauticians and your hairstylists and all those people, whatever you want to call them, when you go there, those lines are always precise. This wig does come with baby hairs. However, I didn't cut them, I didn't use them, I didn't do anything with them. I wanted this wig to be like my summer ready, like pop on, pop off kind of wig. I do like her. I like her a lot. It was minimal shedding. Actually, it was no shedding because I didn't really cut anything in the wig. So even as I've like gone ahead and, you know, been combing it out, I haven't had that much shedding from it. I like more straight synthetic wigs just because you don't have to worry about tangling. It will get a little stiff after a while, but again, just go ahead and buy you a new one, honey. Like, that's it. That's all. This wig is by Sensational. I'll move this out my face so I can see you more. That is all, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I missed you so much. Be safe, be happy, and of course, be you, boo, and I will see you in my next video.